Good afternoon, Facebook world. Colin Gainham from Karen Paul and Associates here with the one and only Troy Chalet behind the camera.
Good afternoon.
We're here to present you with our brand new listing at 1153 Castore Drive here in Burlington, Ontario. Number one feature about this property, first of all, the style of home. It is a lovely bungalow. That means one floor living for anyone who requires that sort of setup. Number two, location. We're in the Maple neighborhood here in Burlington, steps away from Mapleview Mall, about a 5-10 minute walk max right downtown. You can enjoy the beautiful area, beach and Lake Ontario. So without further ado, let's go have a look inside.
I love this stamped concrete driveway here at 1153 Castore Court. Beautifully finished, nicely landscaped.
Absolutely. So another feature here, we are on a lovely family-friendly court, absolutely private and no through traffic. If you're looking for a quiet court here in Burlington, this certainly has what you need. So, right as you come in, you're greeted with a double coat closet and one brilliant renovation that our clients decided to do. So when they originally purchased this home, obviously the style is a bungalow, which caters to one floor living. The builder originally did not include a laundry room here on the main level, so that required the owners to travel up and down the stairs, and to be honest, it wasn't very feasible. They came up with a brilliant solution. Come in and check out this beautiful laundry room. So this room was originally part of the garage. It was finished out to accommodate a build out to support the laundry room, and it has a direct access to the garage. So laundry room as well doubles as a mud room. Have you a quick look into the garage.
Still got tons of garage space, enough to park a car and have a workbench, workshop, you name it. Nice high ceiling.
A full car as well as extra storage.
And there we go. Doubling as a great mudroom. Come in through the garage, into the mudroom.
Perfect.
Unload and you are home.
There we go. Continuing on the main level, we have a lovely sitting area right off of the kitchen and the main entranceway. Currently set up as a sitting area, could easily be turned into a private office. You know, if you have the clients that you visit your home, easily put up a short wall here in the doorway, and this becomes a perfect private office. Moving forward, we have a lovely kitchen. We have tons of natural light, beautiful off-white colors, very on trend, and beautiful stainless steel appliances. Moving forward towards the end of the home, we have a formal dining area with large vaulted ceilings. If you can have a look, it goes all the way up to the second story here, and have a lovely gas fireplace with a sitting area around that, coupled with a dining area, tons of space to entertain family. We know it's Thanksgiving weekend coming up. Certainly could get your smaller, socially distanced gathering done in this space. So flooring, we have hardwood as well as tile. So, moving forward, let's take you into the master suite. Before we get there, along our right, we do have a powder room, 2-piece. We have a lovely linen closet as well that's right beside the powder as well as the master. Perfect location.
Nice walk-in closet. Tons of
walk-in
space.
closet. Light, tons of space, and you know, you get a lot of room in there. So here is the master bedroom. As you can see, we have a king-size bed and ample room still left. This is a great size room, and wait until you see the size of the private ensuite as well. Truly amazing. The square footage in this whole property is 1953, so we're just sub 2,000 square feet, which is absolutely massive in comparison to what typical sizes we see bungalows. Usually we're seeing about the 1,500 square feet, and the extra, 350 or so is quite impressive. As you can see, huge ensuite. We have a 5-piece standing shower, his and her sinks, as well as a soaker tub with jets. So moving on, we'll take you downstairs to the partially finished basement. And here we are. So we come down the stairs, right away, we have a cold cellar. Absolutely great, if you make your own wine, store your own food, pickle jar, anything like that. Always a bonus to have a cold room, and we're seeing less and less of these in new construction. So, certainly a bonus to have.
Especially so generous. I'm not going to say I make my own wine, but I definitely collect my own wine.
Absolutely.
Lots of room to rack it.
Absolutely. So as we come through, this is a formal office the way it's set up. Very easily, this room could be converted into another bedroom. You do have a window, high ceiling heights, as well as a spacious room. It's quite deceiving, and I know the virtual aspects of these open houses, sometimes it's difficult to portray the actual size of the rooms in the homes. But this house rather, is absolutely huge in terms of what comparables are in this style of home. You'll certainly see that when we go around to the unfinished portion of the basement, and you'll see truly how much room there really is.
Storage keeps you sane, and we have tons of storage space here. Lots of potential. You could refinish more of it if you needed more living space, but this is fantastic. Lots of space to spread out, get organized.
Store all your things, really. A lot of people are spending much more time at home these days, and more time at home usually translates into more stuff. And, the room to store all that is here. Some important things to point out: we do have a sump pump, and that's always a bonus as well. Troy, shall we go upstairs and show
Absolutely.
the loft portion?
Absolutely.
Excellent. So, this being a bungalow, here is the loft portion. What you'll find up here is one full bedroom, a full bathroom, as well as another sitting area. So we set up as an office nook, a viewing area. Really, this doubles as another living room. If you have guests coming over, it's really great to be able to break up the space. Basement's finished, this area, as well as downstairs. In this bathroom, you'll find a tub. It's a 4-piece, so there's tub, shower, toilet, and sink. Again, beautiful natural light coming in from the window. And it's always good to have that bonus bathtub. So here's a really nice view overlooking the main area on the main floor. And right off of this, the second bedroom.
Nice bright room. Comfy, big enough to have 2 beds.
Absolutely. Great for guests, grandchildren, anyone coming to stay over. Perfect little area.
Look at that palladium window. Lots of light coming through.
Absolutely, that's one of my favorite features of this house. So we'll take you for a quick walk around. We'll go out the front door, down the side of the home, give you a look at the backyard. Beautiful brand new fence. I was here just about a week ago and they were completing construction on that. So another little bonus feature. So again, what a beautiful neighborhood, right? Very well appointed homes. All the neighbors, you can certainly see the pride of ownership here. Beautiful landscape gardens and it's a very, very nice pocket. Corner, you'll certainly be able to envision yourself hanging out on this deck in midsummer, relaxing, and you know, again, beautiful pocket. There's that brand new fence I was talking about. As you can see, the pride of ownership here is absolutely present. Lots of care inside, outside, and with the recent price drop on this property, the price is now listed at $999,999. Offers on this property are being held off until Monday at 5 p.m.
Let's just repeat that again for our listeners.
Absolutely. So the current price of this property is $999,999. Offers are being held to this Monday at 5 p.m. If you have any questions about this property, anything about the neighborhood, anything at all, please reach out to Karen, Paul and Associates. We'd be happy to get in touch, give you any information that you'd like. Hope you come and check this property out this weekend. Thanks so much.
Thanks, Colin.